Hey, what's up? This is Cynthia Hill. This is the part 2 of our Fabulous Facial Fridays DIY recipes for facials. Today I'm going to be making a castor oil and French clay mask. This is great for mature skin. When I say mature skin, 35, 45, 55, 65 and up. This will be a wonderful anti-aging facial for you. The French clay will help tighten your skin and pull out any impurities, so to help to lessen any wrinkles you have in your skin. The castor oil will take down any swelling and also fill in some of the wrinkles and also make your skin look soft, shiny, and just luscious. So let me show you the recipe. You're going to use a tablespoon of French clay. You can use bentonite clay, Iliad clay, chocolate clay, whatever you decide. You just add it to your little jar here. Clay. Then you're going to pour in about a tablespoon of castor oil. It's up to you how much you want to use. I don't use a whole lot. Then it goes in a jar like that. And then you want to mix it up real nice. Like that. It turns into a little paste, as you can see. An oily paste. I need a little bit more castor oil. I was going to do an overhead view with this, but I'm trying to make this as impromptu and as easy so that you know that you could truly do this at home. You don't need any special equipment. See that? Let me get it all mixed up. See that? That's the paste. That's the castor oil and the French clay. I got a couple of minutes. I'm going to apply this to my skin. Let me take some of that off. And you're going to put this on. You're going to leave this on about 10 minutes. This is not a short facial. This is one you're going to get some real results from. You're going to see the results early on. And you would do this about, I guess, once a week. I'm over 60, so I try not to pull and tug on my skin too much, even with facials. Granted, I don't have bad skin, so I'm really doing things that repair the skin. I'm trying to keep my skin looking as soft and line-free and wrinkle-free as possible, but I don't care how old you get. You're going to get some signs of aging if you're living. If you live long enough. You just want to preserve what you have. Now that's the castor oil. That's on my eye. That's the castor oil and the French clay. I'm going to leave this on for, like I said, about 10-15 minutes. I usually do it about 10. But if you have really dry, wrinkly skin, this is perfect. I use it to prevent wrinkles. So I try to stay close attention around my jaw here. Some of this is also weight. If I took a little bit of weight down, wouldn't have quite as much jawline, but I'm working on that. Hopefully Ramadan will help me with that. The blessings. Okay. We're going to leave this on for 10 minutes. And this is the French clay and the castor oil. Excellent for taking away wrinkles, preventing wrinkles, softening the skin, taking down any swelling, getting rid of dry skin, preventing wrinkles, keeping your skin soft, smooth, naturally. Now I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back. It's been 10 minutes and I started taking it off. If I was over the sink, I would be using a warm towel. But I'm in my lab, so if I didn't do this now, I wouldn't have done it later. So these are done every Friday for the next 8 Fridays. I'm calling this series Fabulous Facial Fridays. All DIY at-home facials that you can do that's economical, effective, and works great on your skin. I don't have my glasses, so I can't see y'all. I'm going to just keep wiping. until I think it's all off anyway. I'll get all in the crevices. Now, castor oil is not easy to get off. It's not hard either, but you have to give it some tugging, a little bit of tugging. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my God. And you won't need a moisturizer after this. Now, if you're using wipes, use something hypoallergenic and mild. Now, these have chamomile and lavender in them. Thursday subscribe. We're working on wipes for the business. I believe I got it all. Let me look at my glasses on so I can see. I should have wore contacts today. Oh, yeah, I got it all off. Does not look nice. Look at that. Not bad for skin over 60, huh? Mm-hmm. Now, that's the facial that you use maybe once a week. It's the French clay or any clay you desire, and castor oil. You use those together, and you'll have healthy, beautiful skin that you can take care of and live a lifetime of healthy skin. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get my hyaluronic acid moisturizer to put on top. Okay, you can find this on my website. This is my hyaluronic acid and collagen serum moisturizer that you wear every single night. I'm going to put some of that on to finish off this look. There you have it. That's the French clay and the castor oil facial. You can make it at home. I'll put the recipe in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget the hyaluronic acid.